Join me as I unbox and review the COLMI Smartwatch to see if it really lives up to the title of the best budget smartwatch of 2024. In this video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the COLMI Smartwatch, which claims to be the best budget smartwatch of 2024. Get ready to see what it has to offer. With so many smartwatches on the market, finding a reliable and affordable option can be a daunting challenge. The pursuit of a perfect smartwatch that fits our budget can be overwhelming, and we often find ourselves sacrificing features for the sake of affordability. But what if I told you there's a smartwatch that promises to change the game? The COLMI Smartwatch claims to be the best budget smartwatch of 2024, and we're about to put that claim to the test. One of the main things I'm looking for in a smartwatch is durability. I want a watch that can keep up with my active lifestyle without breaking the bank. The COLMI Smartwatch boasts a sleek and modern design, but we'll have to see how it holds up in real-world use. I'm also curious to see how it stacks up against other budget-friendly options on the market. The COLMI Smartwatch is marketed as an affordable, feature-packed smartwatch that won't break the bank. But we all know that marketing can be deceiving. In the next few minutes, we'll be diving deep into the features and performance of this smartwatch to see if it truly deserves the title of best budget smartwatch. From health tracking to app compatibility, we'll be exploring it all. We'll take a closer look at the design, features, and performance of the COLMI Smartwatch, including its health tracking capabilities and app compatibility. The design of the COLMI Smartwatch is certainly sleek and modern, with a touchscreen display that's easy to navigate. But what about the features that really matter? The COLMI Smartwatch boasts a built-in heart rate monitor, as well as GPS tracking for those who love to stay active. It's also compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it a great option for anyone regardless of their smartphone of choice. But how well does it perform in real-world use? We'll be putting it to the test to find out. One of the most important features of any smartwatch is its ability to track our health and fitness. The COLMI Smartwatch promises to deliver on this front, with advanced health tracking features that rival those of more expensive models. But what about app compatibility? Can it seamlessly connect with our favorite fitness apps, or will we be stuck with limited functionality? We'll be exploring all of this and more as we delve deeper into our review. The COLMI Smartwatch also promises long battery life, with up to 30 days of use on a single charge. This is huge for anyone who's tired of constantly recharging their smartwatch. The moment of truth arrives when we put the watch to the test. Watch as we highlight its standout features and any potential drawbacks during our hands-on experience. Putting the COLMI Smartwatch through its paces, we're impressed by its responsiveness and ease of use. The touchscreen display is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the various features and settings. But what about its performance in real-world use? We're pleased to report that the COLMI Smartwatch delivers on its promises, with accurate health tracking and seamless app compatibility. The GPS tracking feature is also impressively accurate, making it a great option for runners and cyclists. However, no smartwatch is perfect, and the COLMI Smartwatch is no exception. We did notice a minor lag when switching between apps, and the built-in speaker could be louder. But overall, we're extremely impressed with the COLMI Smartwatch and its ability to deliver on its promises. To wrap up, we'll summarize the key points of our review and discuss whether the COLMI Smartwatch truly deserves the title of Best Budget Smartwatch. The COLMI Smartwatch has truly impressed us with its feature set and performance, making it a top contender for the Best Budget Smartwatch of 2024. Don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other reviews for more tech insights.